Welcome to JS Metalcraft. Today we're working on a John Deere swather, a rotary type cutter bar. Had a bearing go out of one of the idler gears, and of course when it let go, here's the one that it went out on. Sent pieces flying and tore up 4 of these idlers and 2 of the drive hubs. So have to take the whole thing apart. There's 9 of them. Clean all the metal filings out and just going through and completely rebuild. One of them was already leaking, and so because that bearing went out, went ahead and decided we were going to replace all the bearings in all of these idlers. But this is the way that I approached it. I don't know if there's a different way, more by the book or what, but the issue they have is that here's a new bearing. You can see we got a snap ring groove here. Here is one of the idlers. We've got a snap ring groove inside here. Well, once that's snapped in there, there's no way to get that bearing out except to cut it. Yeah, I know this bearing here is a goof up. I was moving along and the gear was upside down, and anyway, snapped her in there. So with the plasma cutter, we were able to real carefully snap them, and you can see how they everything all comes out. And looks like oh, I hit it right here. Anyway, all new snap rings in there, as you can see. Here comes the most of the snap ring. So with that said, we put a new snap ring in there, and then what I did was aluminum. Only aluminum because it just happened to be the closest thing I had. You can see where we turned a taper on that. And once you get the snap ring in there, because see that snap ring has to expand into this groove so the bearing goes in. There's not enough taper on this bearing. I mean, you can with the screwdriver, and just a lot of piddling around. Anyway, we get this expander, whatever you want to call it, in there like this, and then you're able to turn it over, lay our bearing on there, and then we built a pusher, and we just push it into hydraulic press until it snaps into place. So anyway, that's how I do it. Did so there's 16 of these, well, minus the 4. It's actually be 12 that I put new bearings in. Anyway, thought I'd share. Thanks for watching.